How to add email button in Instagram profile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add email button on your Instagram profile. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone, and here make sure that you're logged in to your account. And here also make sure that you have converted your personal account to a professional account. And here once inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in your profile section, just tap on the option labeled as edit profile. And now here, once you see the interface like this, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as contact option. And now here, inside the contact option at the top, you can see the option labeled as business email address. So simply tap on it, and after that, simply enter your email. And here, once you're done entering your email, under the bottom, you can see the option labeled as display contact info. So make sure to toggle on that option, and here once you're done with everything, just tap on the tick icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And here once you have done that, you have successfully added the email button on Instagram profile. And that's it. That's how you can add email button on Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.